1:01 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 316, effective until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Shut up!
This watch includes the following counties: in West Virginia, Cabell, Jackson, Lincoln, Mason, and Putnam. Remember,
Seriously?
a thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions. Listen for later statements and possible warnings.
Oh, I'm in an SVA
weather radio, commercial radio, and television outlets, or internet sources.
Let's catch the rest of this.
Report severe weather to
Beepity boopity.
Also post a report to the West
What's he?
Who did? Why did you get mad at your radio?
Because it wouldn't shut up.
She was wanting to know. She said, he banged on it 3 times.
I didn't bang on it. There's a bunch of things. We're one county east of a severe thunderstorm watch. It literally affects Lincoln and Putnam and Jackson.
We'll tell Mom about Good Hope.
Let me shut off these. Shut up! Hold on, let Jenna know that I'll come. Wait on, What is still squawking? Hey, stay on. I'll be back in like 2 minutes. Yeah?